Welcome along to your weekend forecast for Scotland from the Met Office. Some wet weather on the way through Saturday. Sunday, more a case of sunshine and showers. Back to Friday evening though, and there are still a few showers and a fairly brisk breeze over the Northern Isles, Caithness, Sutherland. They should tend to fade. The odd shower in the southwest, but generally it's a dry and a fine night with clear spells, and that will again allow a touch of frost perhaps across parts of the northeast, where we could see some sheltered glens dipping down to -1 or -2. Most towns and cities dropping down to about 1 to 3, but actually temperatures rising in the southwest later in the night because cloud and rain will be moving in. Going to make for a fairly wet start to Saturday across the southwest. Pretty rapidly that rain spreading its way through the central belt and across the southern highlands and the western isles as well. So as I said, for many it's a wet start. Perhaps some brightness early on across Aberdeenshire and Orkney, but that won't last. The cloud and the rain will spread in here. The rain may not get to Shetland until late on. There'll be a few showers through the day, but notice how it does move through. So actually, certainly most of the mainlands will turn much brighter during the afternoon with some decent spells of sunshine. We are likely to continue to see a few showers coming in across the highlands and the western isles. It will be quite windy for a time as that rain pulls through, turning a little less windy come the afternoon, but the winds are always brisk enough across the far northwest where those showers, as I say, will be moving through fairly swiftly. Reasonably mild still, temperatures perhaps a touch above average, could get to 13 with some sunny spells across the southwest, generally 10 to 12 Celsius. The rain through the evening will eventually arrive across Shetland. Elsewhere for many a clear evening, but we'll see more showers, I suspect, as we head into Sunday morning, and that's how Sunday's looking, a showery mishmash really. Could be some heavy ones around, particularly across parts of the east early on. May turn a little drier for many through the afternoon, but at the same time behind me there's another weather system and the winds are starting to pick up, so it could get very windy in the west, in particular on Sunday evening. That is something we need to keep an eye on. Again, temperatures generally around or a touch above average for the time of year in the sunny spells, feeling pleasant, but when the showers come along, feeling a little cooler. Chopping and changing into next week as well, but next week also does look fairly mild. More on that if you keep up to date with us, and the best way to do that, follow us on social media.